Drugs are substances that have physiological effects when ingested, injected, or inhaled into the body. Drugs can be categorized into different classes based on their chemical composition and their effects on the body. Some drugs are prescribed by medical professionals to treat medical conditions, while others are used recreationally or illegally. There are many dangerous drugs that can have serious side effects on human daily life. Some of the most commonly abused and harmful drugs are opioids, methamphetamine, cocaine, synthetic cannabinoids, benzodiazepines, alcohol. Opioids are a class of drugs that are commonly used for pain relief. They work by binding to receptors in the brain and spinal cord to reduce the sensation of pain. Opioids include prescription drugs like oxycodone, hydrocodone, and morphine, as well as illegal drugs like heroin. While opioids can be effective for managing pain when used as directed, they can also have a range of negative side effects, particularly when abused or misused. Some common side effects of opioids include drowsiness and fatigue. Opioids can cause drowsiness and fatigue, which can interfere with a person's ability to function normally. Nausea and vomiting. Opioids can cause nausea and vomiting, which can be particularly problematic for people with chronic pain. Constipation. Opioids can slow down the digestive system, leading to constipation. Respiratory depression. Opioids can depress the respiratory system, making it difficult to breathe. In some cases, this can lead to overdose and death. Addiction. Opioids are highly addictive, and methamphetamine, also known as meth, is a highly addictive stimulant drug that can have serious side effects on human daily life. Methamphetamine increases the activity of the brain's reward system and produces a surge of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. Some of the short-term effects of methamphetamine include increased energy and alertness. Methamphetamine can produce a rush of energy and a feeling of euphoria, making users feel more awake and alert. Rapid heartbeat and breathing. Methamphetamine can increase heart rate and breathing rate, leading to a rapid and irregular heartbeat. Decreased appetite. Methamphetamine can suppress appetite, leading to weight loss and malnutrition. Hyperthermia. Methamphetamine can increase body temperature, leading to hyperthermia or overheating, which can cause organ damage and even death. Agitation and aggression. Methamphetamine can cause irritability, agitation, and even violent behavior in some individuals. Psychosis. Methamphetamine use can lead to psychosis, a state in which a person. Cocaine is a highly addictive stimulant drug that can have serious side effects on human daily life. Cocaine works by increasing the levels of dopamine in the brain, producing feelings of pleasure and euphoria. However, these effects are short-lived, and the drug can have a range of negative consequences. Some of the short-term effects of cocaine use include increased energy and alertness. Cocaine can produce a rush of energy and a feeling of euphoria, making users feel more awake and alert. Increased heart rate and blood pressure. Cocaine can increase heart rate and blood pressure, which can lead to cardiovascular problems. Dilated pupils. Cocaine can cause pupils to dilate, making them more sensitive to light. Decreased appetite. Cocaine can suppress appetite, leading to weight loss and malnutrition. Insomnia. Cocaine can interfere with sleep patterns, leading to insomnia and other sleep disorders. Agitation and restlessness. Cocaine can cause irritability, agitation, and restlessness. Synthetic cannabinoids, also known as synthetic marijuana or spice, are a group of drugs that are designed to mimic the effects of natural cannabinoids, such as THC, the active ingredient in marijuana. However, synthetic cannabinoids are often much stronger than natural cannabinoids and can have serious side effects on human daily life. Some of the short-term effects of synthetic cannabinoids include increased heart rate and blood pressure. Synthetic cannabinoids can increase heart rate and blood pressure, which can lead to cardiovascular problems. Anxiety and paranoia. Synthetic cannabinoids can cause feelings of anxiety and paranoia, and can even trigger psychotic episodes. Nausea and vomiting. Synthetic cannabinoids can cause nausea and vomiting, which can lead to dehydration and other health problems. Agitation and aggression. Synthetic cannabinoids can cause irritability, agitation, and even violent behavior in some individuals. Confusion and disorientation. Synthetic cannabinoids can cause confusion and disorientation, making it difficult for users to function normally. Benzodiazepines are a class of drugs that are commonly used to treat anxiety and sleep disorders. These drugs work by enhancing the effects of a neurotransmitter called GABA, which helps to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. While benzodiazepines can be effective in treating these conditions, they can also have serious side effects on human daily life. Some of the short-term effects of benzodiazepines include drowsiness and fatigue. Benzodiazepines can cause drowsiness and fatigue, making it difficult to stay awake and alert. Impaired coordination. Benzodiazepines can impair coordination and motor skills, making it difficult to perform tasks that require fine motor control. Memory problems. Benzodiazepines can cause memory problems, including difficulty remembering recent events. Dizziness and lightheadedness. Benzodiazepines can cause dizziness and lightheadedness, which can increase the risk of falls and other accidents. Slow breathing. Benzodiazepines can slow down breathing, which can be dangerous, especially in individuals with respiratory problems. Alcohol is a commonly consumed psychoactive substance that can have both short-term and long-term effects on human daily life. While moderate alcohol consumption is generally considered safe for most adults, heavy drinking and alcohol abuse can have serious negative consequences. Some of the short-term effects of alcohol consumption include impair judgment and coordination. Alcohol can impair judgment and coordination, making it difficult to perform tasks that require concentration or physical dexterity. Reduced inhibitions. Alcohol can reduce inhibitions and increase the risk of engaging in risky behaviors, such as driving under the influence or engaging in unprotected sex. Slurred speech and blurred vision. Alcohol can cause slurred speech and blurred vision, making it difficult to communicate effectively and safely navigate the environment. Nausea and vomiting. Alcohol can cause nausea and vomiting, especially when consumed in large amounts or on an empty stomach. Memory problems. Alcohol can impair memory and cause blackouts, making it difficult to remember events that occurred while